Don't spray mommy. He's gonna get you, Cameron. Oh, nice. Stand by me. Don't you do it.
Will I get landed?
Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, so mean of us. I know, we're such bad parents. Are you standing behind me so you'll be safe?
No.
You need to go get the hose?
Yeah.
Are you cold? Go get it. Go get it.
Daddy! No, hold that! I will hold that.
Okay.
Oh, if he's holding it, I'm going inside.
You want it?
Yeah.
Oh.